Hi everyone, my name is Shaina
My name is Shivani.
and this is a automatic plant watering system. There's a water tank in the plant. It'll basically water the plant automatically. It makes use of microbit controllers, sensors, and a pump.
I'm going to explain to you how this project works. So this is our plant, and in the plant you'll notice there's no water, and basically this thing right here, that is a moisture sensor. So it's going to sense the moisture, which is the water, and basically since it has no water, the water pump from the water tank is going to fill up this plant until it reaches a certain level, which is until the moisture sensor senses it, and then it'll stop watering. And this is our water tank with a lot of water. So basically this pump, it's going to keep on pumping water over here until it reaches the sensor, and then it's going to stop.
So this is a pump, this is the moisture sensor, this is the microbit controller, and this is the relay. The microbit controller will show a tick if there's enough water, and it'll show a cross if it detects water, and it'll stop.
Right now we're going to show you how this works. As you can see, there's a cross here, so there isn't enough water. And now the water tank is filling up water to the plant. If you wait and see when it touches the moisture sensor. It touched the moisture sensor. So now it shows a tick, and now the water has stopped pouring from the water tank. Suppose the water level is going down, and if there's too little water in it, the pump will keep on pumping water back into this until it reaches a certain level. Bye!